In this video, I'll show you how to build and deploy a custom application using Base44. I'll start on the home screen and type a detailed prompt into the builder describing a dynamic fitness workout tracker with a dark interface, custom exercise inputs, and a stopwatch timer. Once I toggle the plan mode and hit enter, the AI begins structuring the application by identifying key features like session management and elegant animations. It then defines the technical components, including the main workout page and the stopwatch logic, before writing the actual code for the styles and database entities. After a few moments, the development is complete, and a preview of the FitTrack app appears on the right, featuring a clean, professional layout. I click Publish to make the app live, set the visibility to public, and then follow the generated URL to the login screen. After signing in with my Google account, I'm taken to the functional dashboard where I can start the timer and begin logging exercises. I'll add a few movements like push-ups and squats to the list and mark them as complete to see the progress tracking in action. This process demonstrates how Base44 takes a simple text description and transforms it into a fully hosted interactive web application in just minutes. Using this platform, you can skip the manual coding phase and go straight from an idea to a working product that's ready for users. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.